1,000 hearts beat.
What's going on, guys? My name's Derek. I like cars, and today we've pulled a bumper off and we're gonna start doing the scary thing. We're cutting Scoob up. The front fell off. Well, I do like how they put they made the jack holder a part of the chassis, so we should definitely stitch weld that for integrity.
No, we're cutting that shit out.
But what if I get a flat tire?
We're removing your spare tire well. You won't have a spare.
Oh. Now I have shop class with Professor Hayden. Explain metal to me.
Okay. You have round steel tubing, which is like the stuff that rusts quick, like that. Pan the camera, Derek. Brother, That's steel tubing. So it rusts like that. Then you have aluminized steel tubing, which is just an aluminum coating on your steel tubing. You have to grind it off to weld it nicely, otherwise it'll be all funky. That also sucks. Then you jump into stainless. You have 409 stainless, which I don't know much about. I just know it's less good than 304 stainless, which is what you see people do like exhausts out of, like nice exhausts. They use 304. And then you have 321 stainless, which is a titanium infused based stainless. So you have some of the better heat quality properties out of stainless, or out of the titanium, but in a stainless steel. And then you have titanium, which is actually worse for exhausts than stainless steel is.
Because it gets brittle and doesn't expand and contract properly?
Yes. Titanium isn't meant to go through the heat cycles an average car produces in its life. So it'll heat and expand at rapid intervals, and then it'll become brittle because it's a very high tensile strength, but it's not good once it's been heated and cooled. If you want to go really nice, you get Inconel 625, which is what they use on spacecrafts for exhaust systems and anything heat related.
Oh yeah.
So,
is 409 stainless related to Formula 409 cleaner?
I don't know.
We going mobile. Live Hayden report. Yeehaw. Alright, well, we just saved like a lot of pounds off the back of the car.
Yeah, we're not putting this back.
That's not going back on, actually. If I get rear-ended, I'm dying, and that's fine. That is very solid.
It's foam. But
Yeah, but
solid.
it sounds solid.
Yeah.
You can weld me up a beam to replace this, right?
Yeah.
Alright, bet. Well, we did that, so now we can look into here. Yep, that's a quarter panel with rust in it.
It's fine, we don't need that.
Okay, that's good.
We just cut here and then primer and don't think about it again. And now you have more wheel clearance.
Stonks. Hell yeah. And as for the other side,
Just as bad.
nice. Very rad. Hayden's got a nefarious idea, and I'm very scared of it.
So, like, if you're going for, like, that street car look, but
Yeah.
you don't want the entire cage because you're not a full-blown race car. A lot of guys do the half cage, and that's what I plan on doing on mine because I like that look. But I kind of want it to like creep together. And you get that blend instead of being like B pillar back, gut, B pillar forward, interior, right? So you kind of make it blend a little bit. So you have the hoop that sits behind your seats, and then you have a bar that runs along here and ties to the front, and then you have a little like brace piece here, and that's what the seat's based off of. That way you have a little bit of tubing in the front, but it's still full carpet. I think that would look sick.
Be kind of rad.
Still
don't want to hoop though.
I know you don't want to hoop. We're not hooping your car.
Yeah.
We're just gonna X-brace the back.
Yeah.
So.
I'm okay with that.
And we don't need it.
As long as we can quick release it so I can still put groceries in it.
It shouldn't even interfere. Up, bar, up, X. No grocery interference needed.
Yeah, but what happens when I drop the seats?
Then you have a double partition. You have the cold groceries and the warm groceries.
I think these will be the warm groceries since they'll be right above the exhausts.
The warm groceries and the cold groceries.
It will hopefully have AC when it's all done. So yes, that would be the colder groceries.
Yeah.
The less hot groceries.
The less hot groceries.
Yeah, there we go. Is next step going to be the trunk or the rust? Trunk seems like it'll be more fun.
The trunk, I mean, we can do both. Because the trunk is basically this hole that I'm resting in is going to go bye-bye.
Yeah.
So we just make it go bye-bye. But that's sketchy and scary.
Yeah, then there's a
tiny bit.
There's already a hole in the car up there where the shifter used to be. There would be a much, much bigger hole in the car after that.
Yep. Man, this shit.
I wasn't even recording yet. Look who has arrived.
Hi.
Hi.
Were you filming before I got here?
Slightly. We kind of filmed a Caesar's run that's not going to be in the video.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
So-
subscribe to the bonus channel if you want to see that. I don't know what it is because neither do they.
Yeah. Welcome back to Derek Likes Cars.
Yeah. We did some stuff yesterday, and
Well,
this won't happen today, but there's a plan.
you want to tell people what that is for those that don't know?
No. Certainly one of the clips I've ever seen of all time.
So
Yeah.
it's
Are you-
like a title for every and like a rating on viral, like how viral it'll be. You don't have to record this.
I'm recording because I was going to ask Derek a question and then you started talking.
Yeah.
This is your
He's out
fault.
here saying words.
Okay.
It's crazy.
It's okay.
That's almost as crazy as the refreshing taste of Mountain Dew.
Are you having a Baja Blast?
I'm currently actively physically yes, but no.
Go.
All right.
Derek, what are we doing?
Unloading the rest of the shit from the car.
Good.
You won't have seen this on the channel yet, actually.
No.
Blur this out in post.
Oh. The whole car?
The whole car.
Why?
Actually, I guess they've seen it on Tyler's channel.
They've seen it quite a bit actually on Instagram and everything
Well,
else.
Yeah, but
I'm going to get B-roll of it now. Thank you.
that's fair.
Goodbye.
Okay. After I destroy my interior.
Yes. I could be helping you, but I'm holding a camera.
I'm aware. It's the way she fucking goes sometimes,
Yeah,
but
absolutely. I like this. I don't know if that's always been there, but I like
it
it.
has been there since I bought the car.
There you go.
And probably since it was new. 'Cause
Oh, yeah, Subaru.
In addition to the fender stand, we've got a Dremel
Good.
and the thing that makes time travel possible.
Oh, yeah, dude. Let us read that. There you go. That's perfect.
Surprise, mother.
I heard my name. What is happening?
That's even better.
What's happening?
He's put my bumper in air jail. Why?
I was like, this is where I put things that I don't want to think about. He's like, you should wait for Riley to get the camera, and you walk in, you go, I heard my name.
Oh.
Look, you can see it peeking.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Good.
Well, I guess that's answered the question for me of if I'm using that bumper for the project or if I'm using the one off the parts car. So we're going to go inspect the one on the parts car.
All right, let's do that.
You don't need a bumper on this car. I kind of do. No.
Bumper delete would go crazy,
It's
actually.
not a drift car, so yeah.
This one will be.
No, this one will be. We shook on it already.
Yeah.
If you saw the last episode, you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Damn, this one's pretty solid, actually.
Yeah,
It's got some paintwork, but yeah. So I guess we'll use this for the project. Which means we have to drop it again.
We both did it. That's fine. It wasn't a hard drop.
Yeah, no, it wasn't. It wasn't too bad. Yeah, we're not using that, but we should put a fish in it.
There's no looks around for fish.
I'm looking for rocks.
Oh.
Why are you looking for rocks? I like rocks.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Smash.
No. No.
Becky, let me smash.
No. So.
Oh. Oh.
Give her a go.
No.
Give her a go.
No.
Riley,
This is healing.
No.
I'm not doing it. I'm a cameraman.
give me the camera.
It's
I'm not
already
doing
been
it.
through so much, Hayden. Have you seen the other end?
Look at what
we're
it's
about
been
to put it through a lot more.
But first, a word from our sponsor.
Okay.
This episode of Derek Likes Cars is brought to you by Mountain Crest Products and their innovative line of recovery bicycle straps. Bike break down on the trail? Don't have a way to get it out and back home? Easy. Throw it on your back. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check out their range of products and...
This motherfucking dude. Look at this fucking dude.
You f***ing This is why Mom doesn't f***ing love you! I'll make sure to leave a link in the description below so you can check out Mountain Crest Products. And now, back to the video. Alright, so first things first, before we start doing scary things.
Yes.
Hayden has advised me that since I mildly care about this door card and my rear seat, I'll be removing those first. So that they don't get, I don't know, f***ed. Well, we got that. What's this?
Tell me where to cut.
Broken BMW owner say what?
What?
Wait, you're the expert here, dog. I don't know what I'm doing.
I want to see where you think we should cut it,
Oh,
and then I will adjust from there.
gotcha. Okay. So you'll tell me I'm wrong, and then we'll go from there.
Well, I'll tell you you're not right. Whether it's whether
Okay.
whether I'm right or not, that's a whole other debate.
Well, you're the welder here for the moment.
I am the welder, but that doesn't mean I know what I'm doing.
Let's see. First of all, I'm definitely thinking don't go past here since that's its own panel. So I guess I'll make a mark there.
Rip that bitch off. Shake it. Okay. Now, press firmly. Firmly grasp it with your hands. Pretty much that's how you have to use a paint pen.
Oh, shit. Okay.
Especially when they're old like mine.
That's okay.
Okay.
That's where we're cutting.
That's your line?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that right?
looks like it's just this little bit in the fender well. Is the only other rust I'm seeing.
I would say the entire pinch weld.
Well, yeah, the pinch weld, but the pinch weld's way is this.
Yeah.
I need you guys to move. I can't see it. Yeah, it's rusted through.
Say that again a little louder at the camera.
It's rusted through to up here. So
That's not great.
no, it's not ideal. Why is there a wire chase hole for a place that has no wires?
I'm gonna blame Japan.
Yeah. But there's, 96.4% of the rust.
That's a very specific percentage. I like it.
It's a twist off.
Yeah. Well, I guess now we can, as we walk into the shop every morning, we can...
Yeah, just hit the bumper.
Now, enjoy this montage of me trying to beat Riley at Dirt Rally 2. And across the line.
Across the line.
505 though.
505. Oh, you beat me. Woo! Oh shit, wrong hand.
That was strange. I just grabbed your thumb, but
You
that's
did.
fine.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Shit.
Let's go!
So, do you want to walk us through what has transpired today?
Well, yeah, so a little wrap up. We got the rear bumper off, and we cut the hole.
Yes. The hole.
That's about it.
Yeah.
I guess let's see what Hayden has planned for next time.
Yeah. Let's go run him down and see what he has planned.
Yeah.
Okay. What's going on here?
Let me in! Let me in! Alright, Hayden, what are we doing on episode 5?
We're learning to weld.
We're learning to weld?
Yeah.
How am I going to learn to weld?
With your eyes.
What? I don't know how to...
Bye.
Like, comment, subscribe.
This shit